cone, and whenever the gap is stabilized, if hopefully it is stabilized on the cones here that I'm close to, change the gap to 100 feet and let us know.
About a gap instead of
I don't know what he's talking about.
Roger.
Yeah, maintain gap of 100 feet. When you get to that place that he's talking about, just stop so they can take center mark.
Roger that. Alright, I'm going to switch to go and proceed shot up. Just a question. I was thinking that you're going to start with 0 feet gap and you change it to 100 feet whenever you get here. Am I wrong or I'm confused?
0 feet. As soon as we come up to that cone, the leader is going to stop and you're going to take center of the leader vehicle. You're going to mark it with a piece of wood or whatever you want to call its center. That's going to be your 0 point. Then we're going to continue to roll. He's going to set me to 1 foot lateral. And once that's done, when the follower stops, you'll take your offset measurement.
Yeah, but this way there is again a roll-up procedure in between. I was thinking that how can we measure during the working time?
The only way you're going to be able to get an accurate measurement is if we stop and then proceed.
I mean, the leader comes and centers the vehicle on this yellow line, and here I say start the 1 feet gap. Whenever it's stabilized, just shut down the system, then we can measure whatever it is.
Yeah, that's correct, but he might not get that yellow line exactly center. So do you want to measure the leader center of where it's going to be, or do you want to just have us roll through?
You're right. Let's do your plan.
Okay, so leader, go ahead and roll out. And as soon as you get to that first cone, stop so they can take a center measurement of where you are.